Now, welcome back. We are here with yet another episode of Direct Indirect, in which we understand if the reporting verb is in the past tense and the reported speech is in present simple tense, then the present simple tense statement will change into past simple tense. For example, he said, I am present. So that sentence will change into he said that he was present, past simple, he was present. If it is present continuous, it will change into past continuous. He said, I am talking simply. He said that he was talking. If it is present perfect, it will change into past perfect. He said, I have spoken to my mother. He said that he had spoken to his mother. He said that he had spoken to his mother. Present perfect continuous tense. He said, I have been studying English since birth. I have been studying English since birth. The right answer will be past perfect continuous. He said that he had been studying English since birth. He had been studying English since birth. Then we have past simple. Past simple will change into past perfect. He said, I took my lunch. He said, I took my lunch. मैंने अपने दिन का खाना खा लिया था. The right answer will be, he said that he had taken his lunch. He said that he had taken his lunch. I took my lunch will change into had taken his lunch. If it is past continuous, he said, I was going to Shimla. He said that he had been going to Shimla. This is how we make direct indirect, and there will be more exercises in the coming videos. We will talk about that. Thank you so much. Have a nice time.